Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing slime, but I already made the slime, so as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be making some slime, cloud slime actually, but yeah, it's not my first time, and it's not my first time with the diaper, it's my second. So I already have all this stuffing out, and yeah, let's just make it wet. So do I put it in? I don't know, I'm gonna try a little teach. See what it does. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have the old thing. Oh my gosh, I just made a big mess. Uh-oh. It's alright, I'll clean it up. Look at this cloud. This snow. I'm just gonna keep crushing it, because I want to make it into real snow. And I got my slime right here. Oh my gosh, so much instant. Well, it's not instant snow, but you know what you mean. I think I need some more water. Oh my gosh. I think I need to clean my bed. So I think I'm gonna add it now. I'm really scared though to see if it doesn't work. Alright guys, so I'll get back to y'all when I'm finished mixing it up. I'll see you when I'm finished. So guys, I think it's turning. But last time I tried, it didn't make. So I think it's turning. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put some more snow, technically. But yeah, I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so my slime is finally cloud slime. Oh my god. Look at this. Such a beautiful cloud slime. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, it doesn't stretch. So that's going to be alright. But at least it's cloud slime. Oh my gosh. I love this slime so much. Well guys, this is my cloud slime. If you like it, please give it a like. And if you don't, just don't do anything. But yeah, I'm going to add some more instant snow to this thing. I really want it to be cloudy. So I'm going to add the whole thing actually. Oh gosh. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that again. Oops. Okay, I think I'm going to add some more Tide because it's getting a little bit sticky. By a little, I mean a lot. Because this slime is very sticky. And I want it to be perfect. Just like it is right now. It's turning back. My one and only cloud slime. yeah, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. And please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye guys. Click the notification bell as well. Bye guys.